Hello. Microsoft has introduced new web browser called Microsoft Edge Chromium, and it is released on 2020. And I'm teaching you how to download and install the new Microsoft Edge browser. Just go to the Google and write down Microsoft Edge. Go to the download page. Here you can download for Windows 10. If you have other version of Windows or Mac OS, you can download these versions by clicking here. I'm using Windows 10, so I will choose this and accept the download. I have already downloaded the software and I will run the setup. Click on yes. It is downloading the Microsoft Edge now. It will take some time due to your network bandwidth. Yes, we have completed the download. Close and continue. Now it is installing the new Edge browser. Installation time also depend on your computer speed. Yes, we have completed our download and install. This is the new Edge browser. There are different themes on this browser. Okay, thank you.